run into it or
Nah, it's not
shark?
letting me interact with
It's
it at
not.
all.
No, I mean just like
If we
push, like
okay,
run.
look, I fixed it, dude.
Yeah.
If we
What
get
do you,
two cars, one to drive and hit the back of yours, and then one drives as fast as it
Nah, it's
can
not
to hit
letting
the
me do
back of that
anything.
one,
oh, the flipped
we
over
can
car?
unwedge. No, your boat right
The
there.
boat.
Like shoot it through the
Oh,
air.
You can't push it?
yeah.
You're more
No, they can't do
likely
anything with it.
to
Yeah.
just jettison the car into the freaking river at that point.
Oh man, yeah, yeah. No, okay,
Yeah,
we
the
need
car.
three cars. We need one car to be.
You'll have to
That's
trust
something
me
he
next
told me
time,
he would
Chris.
help take care of if that ever happened. But
I'm coming to help.
the boat. There's nothing I need your. I don't think you're gonna be able to help Basko.
Well, we'll see. You want a boat?
What are you gonna
or do you
do?
want not want a boat?
I mean, you can't bring your car down
I
here.
mean,
We
the
get
man's
stuck down
coming to
here, dude.
help, and you're gonna tell him, no, I don't want your help.
I don't
Turn
think there's
around,
any. No,
man.
I didn't say I don't want your help. I just
I'll go
don't.
find, like another car or something.
Yeah, we could. There's people here that could use a car, so
Yeah,
that would
well.
be a big help.
All right, I'll help them. I mean, maybe you
Well,
want a boat.
dude, I would love your help. What do you think you're gonna be able to do, though? I just want to know what you have, what your idea is, because I don't think we can't move it. We can't budge it, dude. It won't budge.
Have you hit it with a car while you're in it?
Are you gonna? I told you, bro. You're gonna lose your car. Don't risk losing your car over this
Oh,
stupid
I'm
fucking
not even
boat,
worried.
dude. I'm worried. I'm super duper worried.
I would be worried.
Like,
I'm not worried.
you're not gonna find another one. You can't buy them. You can't find them. Savor
I
it,
found
man.
three today.
All right, find one for ACN.
How about this? I'm gonna come down and run to that boat, regardless if you're in it or not.
It's not gonna move. I gotta be in it for it to move. Let me know
That's
when
a
you
good
get
idea,
close
then.
enough.
I'd say get in the boat.
Basko, please don't, dude. You're gonna lose your car.
I want to see this. Basko, you
Dude,
know
there's
this
no
again.
way
Let's go
you're
for it.
not. Like, there's no way you're not.
don't
Just
try it,
close
dude.
your
That was just a
eyes.
joke, bro. That was not meant to be a real thing.
I feel like it is, though. You know?
No.
It's not worth it, dude. It's just not. I hear you coming.
On my way.
I hear
Don't
you coming.
fucking
This
do
is
it,
gonna be
Basko.
epic. I think he's gonna pull it off.
If he pulls it off, dude, fuck.
There's no way he can even reach the boat unless he got the
I
car
have
in the
my
water.
hopes. Just
He'd have to
his
drive it
sheer
onto this guy's foundation.
attitude alone, he's gonna pull it off. I'm telling you.
Magic, masturbate.
No, he's here, guys. He's
I'm
here.
doing it.
Go.
I'm doing it, dude.
No, are you watching? No.
Watch it.
Let me just
This is why this is where your stream is gonna take off. Right here. In
This is where it takes off. All right, this is gonna be on a
Boxes
YouTube clip
won't come Out
later.
of my car, though.
Well, the thing is, it's all armored.
Oh,
up and
you're
everything. He's good to
Yeah,
go.
dude. This is like fully stacked.
No, no.
Just calm down.
No.
Okay, let me do my work.
Okay.
Oh dear.
I can't even look.
Dear.
Look at this.
Oh my. Oh my
Basko the
goodness,
Savage.
dude.
Fucking love it.
Oh, Basko,
Oh,
it's working.
Are you
It's
fucking
working.
filming this? Are you getting
Oh,
this
it's all in
documented?
the stream. It's all in the stream. Oh my god, it's.
He's close.
Oh, Basko, you fucking mad, man. Basko, you fucking mad, man. Wait. Can I get in the motor? Can I get on the motor now? Hold on.
Oh, fucking hell, Basko.
Oh shit. The boat is free, dude.
Hold on. Why can't I? No, don't drink. Drive. Hold on. Let me get in the. There we go. Nope. Yeet. Oh, what?
You're good.
Oh
You're good.
no. Oh shit.
Wow, that was strange.
That's,
Okay, let me try
that's
to.
fucking there, dude. That's floating. That is floating.
I'm in it. You motherfucker, dude. Look at. Oh my god. Basko. You motherfucker, Basko. You motherfucker. Alright. Oh shit.
What have you learned, right?
Oh no, it's not over yet. It's not over yet.
No.
You can do this.
Team builder, yeah, he is.
It's fucking moving, dude. You're getting it. I can see that post on your bumper is changing position.
It's
Like,
getting further
it's
and
not.
further away. Yeah.
That's it. Oh, buddy, you got it. Oh, come on. That was it. That's okay. That's it. You got her now. Come on, you just had it. Nice, dude. Careful, you're. Oh.
My stuff.
Yeah, drive forward. Straighten out. No, just we'll put it on afterwards.
Yeah.
Straighten
Sorry,
out, drive
I'm
back.
looking at my car backwards. There you go.
All right, yeah, get a running start so you can get up that. Oh my god, dude.
Oh my
That's
god,
it.
it's free.
Fucking savage.
Damn.
Awesome.
Oh, holy
And
shit.
you got a boat.
Fucking
And you
savage.
got a boat, dude. What a fucking savage.
That's awesome.
Damn.